Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. Please subscribe and share if this is your first time of watching my videos. I'm here today with another tutorial on how to tie a V-shaped trending gele. I do hope that you love this video. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to subscribe and share my video. I love you all so much. So the first thing I did was to fold the edges of my gele so that it doesn't look rough after placing it on my head, and then I made about 5 pleats before placing this gele on my head. So right now I'm just trying to trace the pleats I had already made. I'm just trying to trace them towards my neck area. You have to make sure that your pleats are neatly done and well laid. So the rule for this particular gele is 70-30. One hand of the gele has to really be longer than the other hand of the gele. So I'm just going to take my 70 part of the gele. I'm going to hide it behind my ear. I'm going to hide the 70 part of the gele behind my ear. And then I'm just bringing my 30 part of the gele forward. So I'm holding my 30 part of my gele right now, and I'm just trying to make pleats. Is this 30 part of the gele that is going to give me the V-shaped gele that I want? So it's very important for you to take the longer part of the gele behind your ear, because this is also what is going to give you that V shape. So I'm just going to place the 30 part of the gele on my head and pin it. You can see from the look of things that our V-shaped gele has already been formed. So remember that you still have your 80 part of the gele at the other side of your face. So just pick your 80 part of the gele and then start making pleats. This gele is not difficult at all. If you take your time and follow these processes, I bet you'll be able to do even better. So I'm just trying to make pleats right now. So you have to make sure that your pleats are really neat and they are very nice. So after doing that, make sure that you trace the pleats towards the other side of your face so that it looks neat. So I'm just going to start making my fan right now. I'm going to use my both hands to make my fan. I'm going to use one hand to form the pleats while the other hand holds the gele so that it doesn't unravel. Now, if you want your gele to really be secured while making your fan, you have to keep pinning and pinning. This is actually my first time of tying a V-shaped gele. I've always been so skeptical about it, and I thank God that it's not bad. It's not really bad. So I just decided to share with you guys what I know. It's my first time, so be easy on me. So I'm still trying to make my fan. So if you want a very high fan gele, you have to keep releasing the gele so that it becomes longer. Don't know if you're really getting, but you keep releasing and releasing until it becomes longer. So right now I'm twisting the remaining part of my gele and I'm taking it towards the back and I'm going to pin it. So this is where the style of the gele comes in. I'm just going to create like a curve, a rose in front, and pin it. I love you all so much. I do hope that this video was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up and don't fail to subscribe and share. I want to see you all in the comment section and I hope to see you all in my next video. I really love you all so much. So I do hope that you share this video. It will help your girl. Subscribe, support your girl. I love you all so much. Bye bye.